Hello friends, my name is Darishal Dijabue and today we discuss about loose coupling in Java. Loose coupling is a situation where an object can be stored used by another object is termed as coupling. It is the process to collaborating together and working of each other. It simply means that one object requires another object. It completes uh, basically uses object another object, thereby reducing the dependency between the modules. It is called as collaboration if one class calls to logic of the another class. uh, loose coupling in java Loose coupling in Java situation occurs when object receives the object be used from outside because the main objective is simplify using the object. This object can be easily changed from the outside world, indicating its loosely coupled object. Loosely coupled is design principle that aims to reduce the interdependence and the tight integration between components. A software system instead having monolithic and tightly coupled architecture. Loosely coupling is a module deserialized and the flexible architecture has a well-defined responsibility and minimal knowledge about the other components. Why loosely coupling in Java is important? Uh, it is loosely coupling in Java several benefits for the software development, including flexibility. Loosely coupling Java enables a software system to adapt to changing requirements without requiring major modification to the entire system. Each component can be modified or replaced independently as long as it uh, addresses its interface contract. Maintainability. Loose coupling in Java promotes a modular and well-structured code base which makes the easier to understand, modify and debug. Scalability. Loose coupling in Java enables software systems to scale horizontally by adding or removing components or vertically by increasing the performance of each component. This makes easier handle increasing workloads user demands. Benefits are loose coupling. Loose coupling allows making change in the code easily. Testing to loosely coupled structure is easier than the tightly coupled structure. Less amount of code is required to make changes in loosely coupled structure than in tightly coupled structure. How can we achieve loose coupling in Java? There are several techniques to patterns that can help achieve loose coupling in Java, including dependency injection, design pattern that allows component to receive their dependencies sorry, rather than creating them internally, reduces coupling between components. This is all about loosely coupling Java. Thank you.